In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Word cannot save document in Windows 10. This issue can be frustrating, but with a few simple steps you can resolve it and get back to your work with ease. First, we are going to try saving the file with a new name. Start by clicking on File in the top left corner of your Word window. This will open a menu with several options. From there, select Save As. Now, this step is crucial because it allows you to create a new version of your document without overwriting the existing one. Choose a different folder where you want to save your file. Enter a new file name to distinguish it from the original. Finally, click Save. This makes sure your document is preserved with a new identity, which can often bypass save issues. Next up, we will try saving the document to a different location. Once again, click on File and then select Save As. This time, choose a location like your desktop or documents folder. Click Save and check if the file saves correctly. Sometimes the issue is related to the current folder permissions, and changing the location can solve it. After that, we will check if the document is in read-only mode. Close Microsoft Word completely to ensure no changes are locked in. Find your document wherever it is saved. Right-click on the document and select Properties from the context menu. In the Properties window, look for the Read-Only option. If it is checked, uncheck it. Click Apply, then OK. Once you have done this, open the document in Word again and try saving it. Removing the read-only restriction often resolves saving issues caused by restricted file permissions. Now let's move on to disabling Word add-ins. Open Microsoft Word as you normally would, click on File, and then select Options from the drop-down menu. In the Word Options window, find the Add-ins section. Here you will see a list of currently active add-ins. Select Keome Add-ins from the Manage drop-down and click Go. Uncheck all the add-ins that are listed. Click OK to confirm the changes. Restart Word to apply these changes. Disabling add-ins can prevent any third-party interference that might be causing the saving problem. Each of these steps addresses a different potential cause of the problem. By systematically trying them, you increase the chances of solving the issue. Whether it's a naming conflict, a location permission, a read-only status, or an interfering add-in, one of these solutions should help. Remember, sometimes the simplest solutions, like changing a file name or location, can be the most effective. With that ready, you should now be able to save your documents in Microsoft Word on Windows 10 without any issues. If you continue to encounter problems, consider reaching out to Microsoft support for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.